Hello, I'm Supriya Majumdar. I'm an HR professionally. So I was working for a corporate more than 12 years. Now I'm not working. I had a severe menstrual problem which I was suffering from childhood. But like parents, they were like those days, they were taking us only to hospitals and they used to give us some pills or some injections. So that continued till college. But when I was started doing my MBA, the condition was worse, So from 1 to the day 10, so it started pulling out like 22 days, 25 days in a month. So I suffered after that, I stepped to every companies like say that every companies I have to travel for 2 to 3 hours morning and again evening. So I had a very tough time, and luckily when I was like doing my second year of MBA, I came across some nice person, like he recommended me homeopathy. So I took that, and from say 22 days, 25 to 22 days, it was there 22 to 25, but the heavy flow, like it used to go for more than, in a day, like say 20 to 28 pads in a day. I used to take that drip wet. We say within half an hour, it used to wet like anything. Then the things was going like that, but I was helpless, but I was comfortable with homeopathy. It was controlling. Say in a day, so from 25 pads, it came to say some 22 pads or 20 pads. But the flow, pain I used to have, say, but 18 to 16 to 18 hours pain I used to have. Say if I sleep for hardly for 5 to 6 hours, that I used to be, as a normal person, I used to have that pain, this thing, sleep. But apart from that, pain used to be more than 14 to 15 hours in a day. So my life was just moving in the same way. And what happened, I suffered literally for more than 15 to 16 years of my life, this menstrual problem. Then luckily through some reference, some recommendation, I came across this DXN Wellness. So with this, I just took, they recommended me a product by name Spirulina. That I took about 1 or 2 months. From 3 months, trust me, my pain, from 14 to 15 hours of pain, it reduced to, ant-bite pain. So that was nothing but a boon in my life. A miracle happened in my life. So now the menstruation, which was for 22 to 25 days, it came to, like 15 days to 12 to 9, 9 to 7, 7 to 5. Now my menstruation is hardly 3.5 to 4 days with normal flow in a day, hardly some 2 to 3 pads first day, and after that one pad the next day, and the pain, drastically, the pain also reduced and the bleeding also has reduced. And really, I'm really thankful to, the DXN and their products. Really, I'm very much thankful to the person who recommended me to DXN. That person I really, call, my angel. She has come to my life as an angel, and that is the only reason, maybe my pain, these many years what I suffered, maybe that must have connected to the universe. The universe must have felt that pain, and Almighty must have connected me to that person. So now, I'm leading a normal life with 3 to 4 days of menstruation without any pain, without much bleeding. And really, I'm very, very thankful to DXN. And I recommend you people, whether you have menstruation problem, you have or you don't have, but Spirulina for every woman is mandatory to lead a healthy and a happy life. Thank you, DXN.